everyone, Simi here. I'm excited to announce an upcoming multi-agent-based development course for senior GenAI folks, led by the brilliant Avinash Mishra.
Hey there and welcome. Today we are going to pull back the curtain on cloud computing. We're going to move way past the boring theory and actually demystify the cloud by building something real, right from scratch. So, you ready? Let's jump in.
You ever stop and think about that? You tap a button on your phone and boom, this incredibly powerful app is just there. It's at your fingertips, ready to go. How in the world does that happen so fast for millions of people all at once? I mean, it really does feel like magic, but it's actually one of the most powerful technologies of our time.
And the answer, a lot of the time, is Amazon Web Services, or as pretty much everyone calls it, AWS. And look, this isn't just another tech platform. Our sources call it this for a reason. It is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform. It's the engine running behind the scenes of so many apps and websites you use every single day.
So, what does comprehensive actually mean? It means scale. We are talking about over 200 fully featured services. Think of it like a giant digital workshop, just filled to the brim with every single tool a developer could ever dream of needing. It's massive.
So yeah, let's just get this straight. This isn't some unknowable magic. The cloud is a very real set of incredibly powerful tools. And in this explainer, we're going to open up that toolkit and see exactly what's inside.
So let's start with the absolute essentials, the fundamental building blocks. You see, to build anything in the cloud, you've got to understand the core compute services first. These are the tools that are actually going to run your code and power your applications. Okay, first up, we've got Amazon EC2. Now, the easiest way to think about this is like having your own personal server, but it lives in the cloud. It's designed to run what we call persistent applications, the kind that need to be always on, always ready to go. But then, on the flip side, you've got something called AWS Lambda, and this is a totally different way of thinking. With Lambda, you don't even manage a server. That's why they call it serverless. Your code just kind of sits there waiting, and it only springs into action for a moment when it's needed. It is ridiculously efficient. And this right here really breaks down the fundamental choice a developer has to make. You can go with EC2 for that persistent, always-on application. Or you can choose Lambda for an efficient, event-driven function that only runs when you need it. The right tool really just depends on the job at hand.
Of course, an app is more than just code running. You also need security, right? That's IAM. It's like the bouncer for your application, deciding who gets in. You're going to need a place to store files. That's S3, which is basically a bottomless hard drive. And you need to keep an eye on everything. Make sure it's all running okay. That's what CloudWatch is for. And boom, that's our basic toolkit.
All right, that's enough theory. The best way to really understand a toolkit is to get your hands dirty and build something. So let's do exactly that. We're going to put together a mini bank application.
That's right. The source material for this walks through a fantastic lab where you get real, hands-on experience building out a simple but totally functional personal banking system. This is where all these concepts suddenly click and become real skills.
So how's it all going to work? Well, here's the blueprint. We're going to use Amazon EC2 for our core balance service. That's our always-on piece. And then we'll use AWS Lambda for the account status checker. That's our on-demand function. See how perfectly the tools fit the job? That's pretty cool.
Okay, we've got our toolkit, we've got our blueprint. It's time to build. This is the fun part, where we turn that diagram into a real, live application.
So, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is broken down into 4 simple parts. First, you'll just get comfy with the command center, the AWS console. Next, you launch your main service on EC2. Then you deploy that quick, on-demand function with Lambda. And finally, you set up CloudWatch to keep an eye on your new creation. It's a super clear path from zero to a fully working app.
And just like that, you've done it. You have literally taken these fundamental building blocks of the cloud and assembled them into something real. Let's just pause for a second and appreciate how cool that is. This quote from the end of the lab just says it all. In just 60 minutes, you have successfully deployed a multi-part cloud application. I mean, think about that. In about an hour, it's possible to go from nothing to a real app. That's the mind-blowing power and speed you get with a platform like AWS.
And that is the real magic right there. We started with these abstract ideas, virtual servers and serverless functions, and we ended with something tangible, something that actually works. You've seen firsthand how these big ideas become the foundation of the digital world all around us. And that really brings us to the most important question of all. You get the toolkit now.
You've seen how the pieces snap together to create something real and functional. So the only question left is, what are you going to build next?
Folks, I hope you are liking our content and it is adding up nicely in your skill set database. If so, hit the like and subscribe button.